confidence, you see. Okay. See, when you come there, you should be determined that I am as good a candidate as anybody else. That should be. You have already done your physics and you have done post-graduation also, isn't it? Then public policy. And in addition to that, you have done public administration. So, when you are asked very pointed questions, very deep questions, which you find very for you to respond to, even then don't allow your confidence to give you. The trick of the whole thing is, it's your personality. You must remember that when we were in your position, we were also exactly that. The panel members, by virtue of their age, experience, they definitely would be knowing a lot more on a particular subject. So that should not totally disturb you or derail you or disturb the poise of your. So your posture should be very confident, very polite. You should retain your politeness and respect towards the panel members, but never be overawed by them. Okay? Even if it sounds a little bit intimidating, take it in your stride. Because all these things you should be prepared for. Okay? A little erect posture, very polite, and then looking them in the eye. Very well.
Straight was yes.
And a very polite expression, but a smiling expression. It's quite likely many in cricket terminology. You know cricket? You know cricket? Cricket जानने को कई बार you are taking so much time. Well, you are very much on the defensive. Cricket देख चिंता. You have seen cricket? Pujara? Do you know Pujara?
Yes.
Who is Pujara?
batsman.
How many balls he strikes? What is the strike rate? Strike rate, he allows many balls. He doesn't score at all. Do you remember? Have you seen him?
idea
Right. The point is, you can be a seasoned batsman, but still allow many balls to go unstruck. You need not strike at every ball. But still, Pujari is a steady batsman. He is always there in the test. So, like that, see, when you have been called for interview, that means you are as good as any other. Your chances are exactly the same. Okay? So, Dhanagiri, never allow your self-confidence, because self-confidence is part of the personality. Now, this is a test of your personality. This is not a test of physics, public administration, or whatever be the subject. Because it's a given, in your given choice of subjects, chosen subjects, you have passed, you have come out with creditably. That is why you are here, where many others have been left out. So your basic knowledge, the adequacy of your knowledge in the given subjects is a given. These questions are only just a bahana, a pretext to draw out your personality. And your self-confidence is part of the personality. Even if you are not able to say a particular number, you are not able to answer any of the questions, still retain your poise, retain your confidence, and say politely, no sir, I will be able to do it. No sir, I am sorry. In this way, you should be able to disarm the member also. You get the point? In other words, your self-worth, your confidence, your personality, it should never desert you from the moment you enter till you leave. Because if you are not confident about your personality, you are not going to convince the board of your personality. And the dignity, your worth, yes, I am worthy of it. Because you should not develop a nervousness and a doubt about your own worth, your own personality. That means you are not a strong personality. Mind you, you are an officer, you are selected, you are going to be the deputy collectors, superintendent of police. Then you are going to advise hierarchically. Always envision that. It is quite likely you may not be able to answer to the point of some of the questions of the honorable members. That is okay. But where you want to respond confidently, your own independent thinking, Yes, supposing there are 10 questions in a 10 minutes time. You get the point? Even if you are able to answer 2 to 3 in sufficient depth, where you are able to show the board, yes, I have independently thought about it. For instance, so I am going to ask you now about, you know, farmers are agitating for the last 1 year in Delhi border. They are mostly from Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana. So what is the main point of the agitation, Prabhakar?
He talked about that MSP should be there. The government should give him a recommendation in written that MSP must be there.
So that is the main point of view.
Yes, sir.
Because Tankar point was, if we do not get the minimum support price, it will be difficult for us to survive. So this is our main demand. But in the 3 new farm laws, there is no guarantee for this. So we want it. Either you repeal the laws or you give it in writing. But the government, what does it say?
The government said that we are giving MSP, but then the government did not give a recommendation, written recommendation. But currently they are saying we are giving MSP in foodstuffs and
Currently they are giving. In future?
In future does not know. Whether it will, as we have already known, MSP is just an incentive, not a right. So it's possible for the government to give them written recommendation.
So what is your own opinion, Prabhakar? Should there be is there a justification in the demand of the farmers?
So in my opinion, there must be a middle path between the farmers and the government. The farmers must accept some of the provisions of this law, and the government must accept some genuine demands of the farmers.
Good. This is a very good.
This is really positive.
This is the middle path of the Lord Buddha, the golden mean. In other words, to take it further, your point is very, very well taken. In other words, there should be a negotiator. I mean, the farmer should not adopt a rigid position. When the government is offering negotiation, they should come forward, sit down, negotiate, discuss, have clarity, and then give and take. Isn't it? So this kind of a rigid position, you may not be advisable. That is what you mean by middle path. This is exactly. But then, even when saying this, Prabhakar, you are looking tentatively at the members. Take it possibly. So, see, this is your viewpoint. And then in human sciences, there is nothing called right and wrong. Unlike in physical sciences, what is the distance between Pluto and Earth? It is either this or that. There is an exactitude. There is a correct answer. There is an approximate answer. There is a wrong answer. But so far as human sciences are concerned, economics, whether capitalism is good or communism is good, there is no correct answer there. Nobody knows. It all depends upon what you understand, whether you are convinced and you have the courage of conviction to stand by your independent opinion. The board may agree, even within the board, one member may not agree with the other. So that is the beauty of humanities. So these are the areas, generally this is a test to see whether in whatever be the discipline, whether you have an independent thinking. Critically you are able to apply your mind. And you are able to take a stand and then support the stand, whatever it is. So you must give ample opportunities to the board, even if you are leaving aside pointed question, factual question. When it comes to conceptual things, current affairs or etc. Yes, I have a view, this is the reason, and I stand by it, and very politely. So we are happy that you are in a farmer's issue, which is a burning current issue, you are given an answer, but after a lot of coaxing, you are saying that. Usually when it will come, sir, I think, sir, there is no point in taking rigid position. When the government is offering, inviting to a negotiation, they should take the opportunity, come forward, have as many meetings as possible, negotiate the terms, and then settle down for the middle thing. Which will give. So what is lacking, Prabhakar, is your confidence. You are a very bright student, otherwise MSc physics is not a joke. I could not get physics. Which will give. So physics, so you have the intellectual sharpness. Physics is not a joke. You get the point. History, you write something, you get a marks. Physics, either it's right or wrong. So you are an excellent intellect. There is no doubt about it. And in addition to that balance, you have done your public administration. Because what is we find lacking is you are very tentative. You are not sure of yourself. There is no reason for you to be like that. Okay. Now tell us, what are the fundamental duties of a citizen? Fundamental rights we know.
Yes, sir.
Are there any fundamental duties of an Indian citizen?
Yes, sir. There are 11 fundamental duties mentioned in our constitution.
Yeah.
Mm,
What are the important ones? I don't want you to enumerate them, it's not a test of your memory. What in your mind, what strikes you as a very, what are the important duties in your view?
First, the parents must send their children for the education.
Very good.
Secondly, we should avoid.
What is the number of that? What you are telling is important. Can you say what is the number?
That exactly I don't
So
know.
you are important. So this is important. This has been added by an amendment, 11th number. Primarily it was
Last
10.
one.
Yes, sir. I'm thinking last time, but I'm
ठीक
not
है,
sure. Yes, I am not
ठीक
sure.
है, ठीक है।
It is important. Linking to RTE.
ठीक है, बताइए, what are the important duties?
Secondly, talks about scientific temper.
Scientific temper. Why did our government thought it necessary to tell the people have a scientific temper? What are the implications, Prabhakar?
Scientific temper will definitely develop logic and rationality in thinking.
Recently, a few days back, maybe 10 days back, the Chief Justice, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, he said religion should be above superstition, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Justice Ramana, he made a statement. We should get rid of the superstition. So a very agile mind should be immediately link what the Chief Justice of India said recently, link it to one of the fundamental duties, scientific temper, think critically, superstition. In other words, there's a lot of superstition in the name of culturation and all this. From the core, lot of unnecessary things are like cobweb. So superstition, it leads to a lot of problem, isn't it? Believing anything uncritically, spirit of inquiry. You'll find spirit of inquiry, scientific temper, composite culture. You must read the fundamental duties holistically, and this is the expectation. We should not get into the morass of superstition, because that will lead to a lot of things. And then rid the religion also from superstition. Rational approach. Like that.
Is there any duty relating to national flag?
Yes, sir. There is. We have to respect our national flag, constitution.
In the national flag, the top color is what?
Saffron. The top police is saffron.
You are not going to be confidently telling. When there is a wheel in between,
Yes, Ashok Chakra.
there are how many sticks in the wheel?
24, sir. 24.
So can you say these, where you find this wheel? 24 chakra, Ashok chakra, where you can see?
That emblem Sarnath and we have found there. Ashok Chakra is there.
Saranath.
Yes, sir.
From Saranath, that lion.
There is also field and below that line.
But this is in Konark. Konark wheel, 24 wheels. In Konark is built on the geographical terms. Your 7 days, 7 horses, 24 wheels, 24 hours. It linked to time. There was a time by your sun time clock. So, sir is telling of your farm laws. What is the case of farmer suicide, and as an officer, what to suggest to minimize it? You cannot eradicate it. What you suggest to minimize it?
First of all, institutional credit must be given to the farmers, and so that they can use it.
The money laundering should be checked.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Secondly, before doing any crop, they must be given some ideology and given me technology, so that they must be sure. Because in some regions we have found that people are following the cash crops. Whether it is they think that they will get enough cash from there. Sometimes these cash crops get into they didn't get in proper results. That's why while doing any crop, they must be decide whether it is good or not from that part.
Crop insurance,
So crop insurance is one of the provision where we can insure.
role of cooperatives.
Yes, it is also.
Hmm. Who is the Minister of Cooperative Department, Cooperative
So in the central government,
Ministry in India?
sir, in the central government it is Sri Amit Shah, and in Odisha it is Sri Ranendra Pratap Swami.
Now, cooperative was in your duty principles of state policy.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. it
Now
is.
cooperative is legalized.
Yes, sir.
By which amendment Act cooperative is now legalized?
So 97th constitutional amendment. Act.
Good. Sir?
କିଛି ପଚାରିବାକୁ ନାହିଁ
Aye.
you notice your own improvement ସାର୍ ଯୋଉଟା କହିଲେ
Yes, sir.
be always have a positive look
Aye.
ଗୀତାରେ
You know things.
ଗୀତାରେ ଅର୍ଜୁନକୁ ଶ୍ରୀକୃଷ୍ଣ କଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ନର୍ଭସ ହେଇକି ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରିବେନି ବୋଲି ଧନୁତୀର ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେତେବେଳେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତସ୍ମାତ୍ ଉତ୍ତିଷ୍ଠ କୌନ୍ତେୟ ଯୁଦ୍ଧାଗ୍ରତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ତସ୍ମାତ୍ ସର୍ବେଷୁ କାଳେଷୁ ମମନସ୍ମର ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ଚ ମୟର୍ପିତ ମନୋବୁଦ୍ଧି ନା ଅସଂଶୟ ମତେ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କର ସୋ ଗୋଲଟାକୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କର ଏବଂ ଅସଂଶୟ ଭାବରେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କର କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ଡାଉଟ୍ ରଖିବନି ବିକଜ ଡାଉଟିଂ ଟମାସେସ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ପେରିଶ
Definitely.
ସଂଶୟାତ୍ମା ବିନଶ୍ୟତି so be confident be positive I can do I can achieve and you can notice your own improvement don't be nervous egg do you use it for remedial study what is administrative reforms and what are the administrative reforms commissions how many administrative reforms commission India re hechi apanku jehetu you are a student of administrative public administration they may ask you set it is also part of
Sir, India ରେ ଦୁଇଟା ମିଥର administration reform
Please
commission
tell.
ଅଛି। ଆଜ୍ଞା 1969 ରେ ଆସିଛି ଆମର ପ୍ରଥମ
First
commission। ତାପରେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରେ
69.
no, 69 money
66 ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟଲି ମୁଁ ସେମ୍
66.
ତାପରେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
67 ରୁ 69 ରେ ସେମାନେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସମୟରେ
Who was the chairman of first administrative reforms
କେ
commission?
ହନୁମନ୍ତୀ ହନୁମନ୍ତୀ
ପୁରା
What
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
was Lata? First Morat
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
Desai.
ତାପରେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟା
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରେ ବୀରାପ୍ପା ମୋଇଲି
they
What is the
submitted
first report?
Sir?
What is the first report of second years?
ଆପଣ ପଚାରୁଥିଲେ ସେ ନର୍ଭସ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସେ ସଡନଲି ପଚାରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ
Very nervous.
ନାଇଁ ଆସ୍ତେ କି କେତେଟା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ and what is the first report
ଜାଣିନି actually
15 reports ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସାର୍ ଯୋଉ ପଚାରିଲେ first report is transparency law right to information
RTI.
right to information hyphen the master key to good governance ହେଲା right to information the master key to good governance ଯଦି ସେମାନେ transparency law ପଚାରିବେ then you say that is right to information act 2005 ସେମାନେ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖୁଛି ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଏ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି what is transparency law do you think that is it find in the administrative reforms commission report so they may ask any question
ଆଜ୍ଞା
they may ask sir ଏମିତି ପଚାରିଲେ farmers law Afghanistan
ଆଜ୍ଞା
tourism and places of interest of Orissa they can ask anything open-ended
ଆଜ୍ଞା
but we have to prepare accordingly thank you
ସେଠି ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା ମୋ ପର୍ସନାଲି ଯେମିତି ଦେଖିଲି ସେଟା ତିନିଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ମୁଁ ଦେଇପାରୁନି
then nothing to it politely say no
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇପାରିବି ତା ଭିତରେ ତ
You can
ଜାଣିନ।
do it.
ନା।
ନାଇଁ ପ୍ରଭାବଟା କେବେ ଏଟା ଅଛି
28 ରେ ସାର୍
20 days, huh? There is 8 days there. Now, what you should take from the first board and present board is, professors are asking you very exact questions.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
And even farmers' issue is nothing new. Sir, when you said the institutional credit, very good. Then immediately he linked to stopping the money lenders. It's a very complicated. Then crop insurance, cooperative. That means but the issue ko sabu parimanaga. He is trying to give it a holistic, multi-dimension. In other words, what they are doing is giving depth, exactitude. First administrative reforms of Kiye, who was the president. In other words, an exactitude, a certainty, then depth, width. So you should take it positively.
Yes.
Oh, this could be the expectation. When we are talking about 5 T's in the present government, transparency, it's a beautiful word, but in concrete terms, what does it mean? Transparency means there is a law also, right to information, that you should display on your own, proactively disclose the information, and thereafter if somebody is asking a pointed question, give the exact thing. Everything should be on the, put it on board. But so, while we are talking 5 T's, beautiful transparency, it has a concrete dimension to that. So, they are doing that. So, you take it positively, 7 days is there, you know all these things, consolidate what you already know, and then bring in a certain exactitude. First, second year, first month, I didn't know much. So, it is easily available there in the print. Just a little bit of brushing up.
Holistic.
Take a brushing up and then tagging and giving it a certain depth wherever possible. Don't worry about it. And most importantly, don't be looking for assurance in the eyes of the member. Whenever you are something, you are looking for assurance and approval. No. Right or wrong. Because factually you can be wrong, that's not about. But conceptually, for your concept, for your independent views, you cannot be looking for approval and assurance in the eyes of the member. That is what Barabar Gauchi. Right? You are a young man. Your perspective will be fresh and different. There will be multiple perspectives, all valid in humanities. Barabar Gauchi is a physics alaga kata, chemistry alaga kata, mathematics there is only answer, either right answer, wrong answer. Mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, exact sciences. But human sciences, multiple points of view can coexist equally validly. And you are physics and you are excellent. You will do well. But still that fear is there, take a ashanka, daro. But you are an officer. This is an officer's post. It is not a ministerial. It is an administrative.
apprehension किसी रखे अदर करना है
apprehension नहीं करना है you will do well Prabhakar shape करके लीजिए
सर वो आता कुछ के टिप्स कर दे से गोटे बर्तमान डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट ऊपर पचारा जाउची बहुत गुडे साइक्लोन हेवी रेन क्लाउड बस्ट अर्थक्वेक ये सब विभिन्न जिनिस होची केदारनाथ ट्रेजेडी होची अन्य सब कथा होची विभिन्न फार्मर्स ओडिसा रे साइक्लोन होची एनो डिजास्टर एंड डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट क्लाइमेट चेंज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग ये सब जिनिस गुडा ऊपर भी रहइबो ये सब गुडा जिस ऊपर क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्टेड because it was these are all administrative function when you join in Odisha police service or in Odisha administrative service posted as Tahsildar or BDO this is your job एणु ए पूरे प्रश्न भी पचारुचंती सेति में मु कहूची कि आ जहा टिके अछि सार जो कहले आ टिके भलो भाबरे प्रिपेयर होबा पड़े एंड बी पॉजिटिव यस यस
सब्जेक्ट उडा मटे आटे भलसे
हां सब्जेक्ट उडा भलो कि मैं लिखि के प्रैक्टिस करियो पड़े once you write a book a notebook and a sharp mind, it will lead to your success. Thank you.
When you ask the first question that I am not answering that, what should the practical steps?
Don't be nervous. Sir, I don't know.
Kitchen see, for instance, sorry, because your age of farmers agitation, agriculture, people, farmers committees is one of the most important. Because agriculture is the primary sector. So, I would even say, what are the farmers' issues? Forget Swaminathan recommendation, all those things. So, Prathama issue, you can write it down, articulate before a mirror. Because this is not an unexpected surprise question. You are going to be an administrator, collector. What is the primary sector? Agriculture. Farmers are committing suicide. So this is an accepted staple question. Tenikari anga eta and speak with a little of feeling. Anga loka marchunu mana yes tanga pai. Paisa nahi and ye jo crop insurance karo nastu bolche support price, fill the infrastructure, road, irrigation. So whichever way you want to assimilate it, internalize it, assimilate it, digest it, and then articulate it. Darkar padile even your diction can be practiced because this is a staple question, staple area. And speak with a little emotion, not a government is giving law and they are offering them talk, they are not coming for us, they should stop being rigid and come forward and adopt a negotiated middle path. Yet when you are speaking like this in a speed manner, courageous manner, convinced manner, if you are convinced, then you will pass on the conviction to the other. That's all there. Huh? Prabhakar, time is not there. You know what? How can you
Thank you.
ठीक अछि बुझिपारली जा जा परिवार में
ठीक ठीक
कौन कौन से करेक्शन करे से
गोटे इंग्लिश गोटे ओडिया न्यूज़पेपर को 8-10 दिन रेगुलर पढियो ता एडिटोरियल सहित आ सार गोटे बड़ कथा कहले मिरर पाखरे छिडा है किछटा प्रैक्टिस करियो एंड यू लुक एट योर ओन फेस एक्सप्रेशन मो कहे पिला मन को से कथा that will bring you more confidence and more positive outlook निजे निजे को असेस कर परिबो.
Okay? It is not what you say, how you say. How convince yourself. Okay? You will do well. All the best,
Thank you.
Prabhakar. God bless you.
Prabhakar, we expect your success.
Yes,
Thank
you will be in the list. Okay? Come with the sweet box.